Guys, welcome to Food Island. I am Aniket. Today I am making mug chocolava cake. So first sieve all the dry ingredients, refined flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. Add a pinch of salt. Pour 5 tablespoons of milk and mix it. Two tablespoons of oil. This is normal vegetable oil. Add 3 tablespoons of oil more. Mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. If your batter is thick, add some more milk according to your need. Oh, I forgot the main thing, sugar, icing sugar. Add the sugar and mix it well. Now take a mug. Pour half of the batter into it. Drop some chocolates into it, chocolate pieces. This chocolate will melt inside and give a lava feeling. Now pour the remaining batter into it and make sure the mug is filled up to half. Now microwave it for 2 minutes and your chocolava mug cake is ready to eat.